Hello everyone, we are able to look at the setup down to the psychomotor in this tutorial of Alpha Sims. So in this tutorial we will be looking at Marksheet and Result. How can admin input data for various students in that's their various performance in respective subject. So to do that, we click on Marksheet and we click on Add New. This will bring us to this interface. So from here we can filter the class to add the marks. Let's start with GSS1A morning shift. Remember the session is 2018, so choose 2018 here. So this will bring down the name of students that belong to this particular class. Now under subject, let's add marks for English language. When you choose English, notice what happened here. You can see the full marks and the pass marks are displayed here. So examination, let's say this is first term exams. So let's add the dummy marks for this student of GSS1A. So let's say the first person under exams exams is 60 and the pass marks is 30. Exam is 60, the pass mark is 30, and the first person here scores 45. CA is 20, the pass mark is 10, and the person here scores 14. Project is 10, the pass mark is 5, and person here scores let's say 6. Assignment here is 10 and the pass mark is 5. Let's say the person here scores 8. And now the absent here, here you tick whether the person is absent during the exams or not. If it's absent, go ahead and type yes, or else it is no by default. You can see there is a no in the input box here. So I'll add marks for other students also. Let me pause it for now. So we have be able to add scores or marks for each student in each class and for each subject. So we can be able to view the list of the scores that we have added so far. So we can view this list by narrowing down to class, section, and then the subject. Let's look at my English for GSS1A first term. Let's get the list for this particular class. So you can see Mike score 45 in the exams, 14 in CA, project is 6, assignment is 8, total is 73, and the grade is B. Grade point is 4.0. He's absent, no. You can see James Harden 52, 16, 7, 5, 80. That's a grade of A. And the grade point is 5, and he wasn't absent. So if you remember, this grade was set under settings when we are setting up schools, right? There is a grade down here. That is where we have set the grade name and also the grade point. So we can proceed and click on result. Let's see how can we generate a result. So here we can generate results according to class, session, and the examination term, right? So we have 3 terms in a session, and for the records we entered, we are only for first term. So we don't have any record on that second or third time. So we can generate results for this class. So for GSS1, we can click on generate results. You can also do this for GSS2 with the same session. Click on generate result. You can also do this for JSS3. At the same time, we can also generate the result. You can see the success. So we have been able to generate results for the 3 classes that we have created. So keep in mind that before the result can be generated, all marks must be entered under the manage mark menu. So we must add all marks for all subjects in each class before we can proceed and generate results. So this is it for this tutorial. I will see you in the next tutorial.